proudly present to you the DIY candidate profile on TRAFFIT. DIY means do it yourself, because in TRAFFIT you can build the candidate profile you really need. Here's how to do it. Decide how do you want your candidate profiles to look like in the system. Choose what data you want to collect. There are a few system fields that are always available, like first name, last name, email address, and phone number. What you can do here is adding any custom fields you like. No limits and no strings attached. These can be text fields, date fields, links, or single and multiple choice fields. I decided I want to collect the following information. Knowledge of CRMs, a multiple choice field, because I often search for talents for my sales department. Start date of current job, because I want to know the candidate's seniority in their current position and their notice period. Language skills level. This is important for me because we work in English. Driving license, because account managers sometimes need to visit their clients, so I need to know if my candidates have a driving license. Voila! This is my candidate profile in TRAFFIT. I can edit it and add new fields anytime.